उत्तराखंड देवभूमि बेटी एनसीसी कैडेट्स को
Brigadier Somesh Seth, the commandant of the Jaikalai Regimental Center, for organizing such a wonderful event.
Who gave the cadets insight on what Jammu&Kashmir is all about, which thrives on certain other things. So it was an eye-opener. We are going to undertake a youth exchange program with 2 colleges in the city of Srinagar, where we have structured a camp in this following manner.
The National Cadet Corps, one of the finest blends, one of the finest organizations that the country has. Right from the time that we went and we got our independence in 1947, I think this service came into being the very next year in 1948. It started with the Army, slowly it graduated with the Air Force wing also starting, and thereafter the Naval wing, and it has become a tri-service kind of an organization. So there are very high hopes from each one of you, and I'm sure you people are delivering, there's no doubt in that.